Abraham Shakespeare won $31 million in the Florida lottery and then disappeared. The local sheriff suspects foul play.
It appears, and I'm very cautious, that Abraham Shakespeare is broke.
Authorities say a business associate, Dee Dee Moore, took great pains to make it appear as if the missing millionaire was alive after he was last seen last April, but she says she doesn't know where he is.
Frankly, she's a con artist. And if she were trying to sell me something, I wouldn't buy it today.
Moore told detectives she befriended Shakespeare, giving him financial advice after he won the $31 million in 2007. But police aren't buying that either. She transferred more than $1 million from Shakespeare's bank account into one of her own, telling detectives later the money was a gift.
We can see where the money went to American Medical Professionals, which is in her name, and the president is listed as her friend's Shar Kerensky.
Now, Moore is considered a person of interest in the disappearance of Abraham Shakespeare, but she's yet to be charged with anything. John Belmont, The Associated Press.